Have an end in mind for the Mongol warrior. There was no such thing as individual honor in battle if the battle was lost. As Genghis Khan reportedly said, there is no good in anything until it is finished. Lead from the front. When it was wet, we bore the wet together. When it was cold, we bore the cold together. Serve a greater good than yourself. A leader can never be happy until his people are happy. Have a vision without the vision of a goal. A man cannot manage his own life, much less the lives of others. The ancients had a saying, unity of purpose is a fortune in affliction. Be humble. The mastery of pride, which was something more difficult, he explained, to subdue than a wild lion. He warned them that, if you can't swallow your pride, you can't lead. Be moderate. I hate luxury. I exercise moderation. It will be easy to forget your vision and purpose when you have fine clothes, fast horses and beautiful women. In which case, you will be no better than a slave, and you will surely lose everything. Understand your people. People conquered on different sides of the lake should be ruled on different sides of the lake. Change the world, but change it gradually. The vision should never stray far from the teaching of the elders. The old tunic fits better and it always more comfortable. It survives the hardships of the bush while the new or untried tunic is quickly torn. Be self-reliant. No friend is better than your own wise heart. Although there are many things you can rely on, no one is more reliable than yourself. Although many people can be your helper, no one should be closer to you than your own consciousness. Although there are many things you should cherish, no one is more valuable than your own life.